Music. Capital One versus Northern Trust, which bank is right for *U**? In this video, we'll compare these two very different institutions. Links to both are down below. Let's dive in. Capital One is a top choice for digital banking. They offer checking, savings, and credit cards with competitive rates and low fees. Their highly rated app makes managing your money easy. With no monthly fees on many accounts, Capital One is great for value-driven users. However, their limited branches may be a drawback. Now for Northern Trust. This bank caters to high-net-worth individuals, institutions, and families. They specialize in investment, trust services, private banking, asset management, and estate planning. Northern Trust provides high-quality, personalized service, but it comes at a premium. If you're looking for everyday banking, this probably isn't it. So, Capital One is excellent for affordable, accessible, digital-first banking. Northern Trust excels in wealth management for those with significant assets. Check out the links below to find the best fit for *U** financial goals.